Hello, my name is Archie Young and I'm a transcription technician here at Beltway Data, and along with Fugro, I am proud and pleased to demonstrate to you the new and state-of-the-art 21-track drive and the system that we will be utilizing in order to remaster 21-track tapes.
For starters, the 21-track drive can be placed on your desk or it can be placed in a tower. Before running a 21-track drive, it is important to know what type of reel you have so that you can adjust the options accordingly. Also, on the drive there's a display which tells you different options you may choose in order to operate the machine properly. In order to choose these options, you press these buttons right here. After identifying the size of the tape, now you're ready to load the tape onto the machine. Once your tape has been loaded, press these buttons according to what option you want to run the tape. Once the tape is running, there will be a display showing which files are being copied, and these green lights right here identify how out of skew you are. To adjust the skew if need be, you turn this key on the skew, which is actually this small piece of metal right here, and by turning it either left or right or clockwise or counterclockwise, you will be able to adjust your skew to where you want it to be. On the display, the lower amount of green lights that are being flashed is the better your skew is. As the machine is running, the drive is actually copying the data into buffers that are inside of the drive. Once the tape is complete, select the options on the display, rewind. And the tape will begin to rewind. To retrieve the data from the buffers, we are currently using this Linux software. To operate Linux software, you must know different commands in order to retrieve the data. In this case, we already have commands to open up different directories. That way, once the data is transferred from the buffers to the computer, we know exactly what directory it's going into. After selecting a directory, you must know the right command in order to retrieve the data. With our software, when we send the command to extract the data from the drive, we also include the output name, which is right here highlighted. That way, when we look in our directory, we know exactly what data we want to look. Once the data is extracted from the drive, we perform several commands in order to convert the data into whatever type of data we want it to be. Once that's complete, we are able to go into our directories and look at the data that we have just extracted. After QCing the data, we would then output the data into whatever type of media that the client has asked for. Now, I hope this has been a fun, exciting, and informative way of showing you guys of how we operate and how the 21-track drive works and how we go about remastering the data that are on 21-track tapes. Now, on behalf of Fugro and Beltway Data, thank you for your time, and as always, have a good day.